so it might be a wee bit quieter here. I'm actually over crouching behind the Stane Dyke, out the way of the wind, so hopefully not with so much in the way of gusty wind. As I said in the previous video, just up having a check of it. As you know, that Proven turbines have had a wee problem where basically the bit that attaches the blades onto the hub at the very top there that you can see effectively detaches itself and falls to the ground. Now it doesn't go very far because it weighs about 3/4 of a ton, so it only goes a few steps, but you can see it could be fairly damaging when it happens. Now actually, when I looked at the stats the other day, I think there's only something like 6 out of 600 or so have broken. And if you go back to the storms we had over the last couple of months, I think the general feeling is that some of the other turbines have done a bit worse. Heard there was a couple of turbines actually, just the whole thing fell down. A couple of big ones in Endurance, which I think is a 50 kilowatt, heard one of them had fallen down, and quite a few Gaias burnt themselves out, so maybe Provens aren't so bad after all. Fairly hopeful that our supplier VG Energy have maybe got a fix sorted out for it. I've been speaking to them in the last couple of days, so they're just trying to finalise some approvals with all the relevant bodies, and then hopefully we'll have a fix. But they're still not sure whether they need to fix everyone. The MCS accreditation body seem to think now that maybe it's just a slight manufacturing defect rather than a design fault, but who knows, we'll maybe just need to wait and see if it actually breaks down until we do something about the repair. Main thing I'm worried just now is a service. Could do with a service, not been serviced. It's probably about 4 months maybe out of date for a service. So, and with all the winds we've had, just worried maybe that some of the dampeners and things might need some attention, but we'll just need to see what happens. So, as I say, maybe not just now. Winds dropped a little bit, but before I came up the hill here to the turbine, I had a look at the dials on the box, and it was working at just short of 12 kilowatts, which is it's probably peak output for the turbine. As you can guess, over the last couple of months, with the way the winds and the storms have been, we've racked up quite a few kilowatt hours, which is nice because we were probably short over the last 12-month period. So hopefully we'll keep the breezes going, and we'll be generating some energy for both ourselves and connection into the grid.